In this video, you will learn how to close and exit workbooks in Excel. Let's get started. One way to close a workbook is by using the File tab. To do this, click File. Next, click Close. A second way to close a workbook is by using the Close button icon. Currently, I have two workbooks open here, one with weather data and another blank workbook. Let's close this weather data workbook by using the Close button icon. To do this, go to the far right of the title bar and click the X, which is the Close button icon. This closes that workbook. If only one workbook is open, clicking the Close button icon also closes Excel. Now that we've closed the other workbook, we only have one workbook open. Now let's once again use the Close button icon to close this file. Go to the far right again, click the X Close button icon. This time, the workbook closes as well as Excel since only one workbook was open. A third way to close a workbook is by using a keyboard shortcut. To do this, press Ctrl+W on your keyboard at the same time. A fourth way to close a workbook is by using the Ctrl+F4 keyboard shortcut. To do this, press Ctrl+F4 on your keyboard at the same time. I hope this video has given you a basic understanding of how to close and exit workbooks in Excel. Please like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so I can continue to help you learn new things. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay inspired and keep learning.